In the last video, we learned how to convert decimal numbers into binary. But what if the number has a fractional part, like the number 10.625? Don't worry, it's actually very easy once you understand the trick. Let's take it into two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. First, the integer part. We already know how to do this. Divide the number by 2 repeatedly and note the remainders. So let's do this. So here for the integer part, we divide 10 by 2, which will give us a quotient and a remainder, which is 5. Quotient will be 5, remainder will be 0. 5 divided by 2 will give you a quotient 2 and remainder 1. 2 divided by 2 will give you quotient of 1 and remainder 0. And 1 divided by 2 will give you a quotient 0 and remainder 1. You already know this. And we have to consider the remainder part from bottom to top. So the integer part 10 will give us a binary of 1010. Now comes the interesting part, the fractional part. Now let us understand how to convert a fractional number into binary number. So here the fractional part is 0.625. It is 0.625. So here what we need to do is that instead of dividing the number by 2, we are going to multiply the number by 2. So 0.625 into 2 gives us 1.25. Now here for the result we have integer part and fractional part. Always remember that when you are converting fractional part into binary, you always need to consider the integer part. Note down the integer part. So here the integer part is 1. Now take this fractional part, which is 0.25, again multiply by 2. It will give you 0.5. So here the integer part is 0 and fractional part is 0.5. Now again multiply 0.5 by 2, which will give you 1.0. So here the integer part is 1. So here the process ends because we have already achieved the result 1. So remember, you need to do this process until you get the result 1. And after that, whatever integers you have noted, you have to consider the integer part from top to bottom. It's reverse of what we had done for the integer part. Alright, so we have to consider this from top to bottom. So 0.625 gives us binary number 101. So writing down the whole result together will give us, for the integer part, the result is 1010, and for the fractional part, the result is 101. So the answer is 1010.101 to the base 2. So this is how you convert a decimal number with fractional part into binary. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.